As PKG personnel, we build strong relationship with the community. We manage information responsibly and maintain the positive public image of the organization. Pero, habang abala tayo sa pag-aalaga ng connection natin sa community, minsan nakakalimutan nating alagaan ang connection natin sa ating health and well-being. This is not a weight loss challenge. This is a commitment to become better versions of ourselves. Not overnight, not perfectly, but consistently. So when we say consistently, dapat consistent tayo sa exercise. Sabi nga ni CS, medyo may tip to. Pag tatlo o isang beses kang umabsent, 3 times, DQ ka na. So kailangan consistency, lagi tayong present. So as we start this program, let us keep it simple. One step at a time. No pressure, no shortcuts, just progress. So, maraming salamat sa inyo for taking on the challenge and let this challenge begin today.